In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to audit your monthly PayPal payouts. Many business owners lose money through hidden fees and calculation errors without ever realizing it. To start, you need to open your PayPal reporting dashboard and export your monthly activity. Once you have that data, you will head over to Claude and provide it with a specific prompt to take on the role of a forensic accountant. You should type in exactly that you want the AI to act as a corporate auditor to verify settlement accuracy and identify revenue leaks. This process is remarkably efficient because it executes 4 critical checks in seconds. First, the AI performs a payout reconcilement by calculating your gross sales, subtracting fees and refunds, and checking if the total matches the net payout in your bank account. Next, it identifies fee leakage by calculating transaction fees as a percentage of your total volume to ensure you are not being overcharged based on your contract. The third step isolates chargebacks and disputes to quantify their exact impact on your cash flow. Finally, the tool performs a trend analysis against your previous month to spot any major fluctuations in volume. By outputting these findings in a structured executive brief with visual risk markers, you can immediately see where your money is going and fix any discrepancies. Using this method saves hours of manual spreadsheet work and ensures your finances are airtight.